Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a STIHL MS170. It looks a bit beat up actually. It runs, and what this saw needs is a new trigger. The trigger is missing, so in this video I will show you how to replace that. Here's a close look. Trigger's missing. First thing you want to do is get a T20 Torx screwdriver, and I've got a good one right here. So there's two screws that need to be removed. There's one here and one there. First of all though, I do have to remove this cover just so that I can access this one screw over here. Then this cover will come right off. Now it looks like the trigger broke right there. So this shouldn't be too hard to replace. Just get this spring off the safety latch over here. And then you have to get this up from here and get it out of the throttle linkage. And here's the part number for the trigger, 1130 182 0800. I've got a good used one here from my shed. I have a lot of MS170s in there for parts. And when you go to reinstall the trigger, this is how you want the spring on there. And now I'll just get the linkage back into the trigger, just like this. Get that right on here. And then you want the spring to be under the safety lever right here. And now get this cover back on. Get your two screws in. And it's that easy, guys. Throttle trigger is replaced. The throttle is working properly. And what I'll do here is start it up. It's always good to test out everything, even though it looks good. I even start up saws when I put a new plug in, just in case there's an issue with the spark plug as well. So that's all there is to it, guys. It's not hard to do. And the same procedure will apply to the MS180 and the MS180C. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you're subscribed. And I do have the part number in the video description in case you need it. Have a good day.